Good afternoon to all. How are you all? I'm good. What about you, students? Very good, very good. Right. This is Swapna, Mathematics faculty from EduHunt IIT and NEET Academy. Right. So, in the last class, what we have discussed, do you remember? In the last class, what we have discussed? Anybody? Yes. In the last class, we have discussed about the signs of trigonometric ratios in different quadrants. That was it is 16th question. Right. Chalo. Are you guys excited? Super excited to solve? Yes. Of. Chalo. Let's learn. Let's do the problems. Okay. Yes. So what will be the first question? Which trigonometric ratios are positive? Which trigonometric ratios are positive in the fourth quadrant? Tell me, which trigonometric ratios are positive in the fourth quadrant? You should remember all silver teacups. So what is there in the fourth quadrant? C. C represents cosine. Cosine theta, and the reciprocal of cosine theta is secant theta. And the reciprocal of cosine theta is secant theta. These both will take some positive values in the fourth quadrant. So as per the option cos theta and secant theta, so that means option B. That means option B will be your answer. Option B will be your answer. Next question. Shall I move to the next one? Yes. So what will be my next question? If theta is not in the fourth quadrant, and also they have given tan theta is equal to minus 4 by 3, right? So you need to find the value of 5 sin theta plus tan cos theta plus 9 secant theta plus 16 cosecant theta plus 4 cot theta. This is the value you need to find out. I hope you are clear with my question, guys. Yes? Yes? Chalo. So here we have a question. So what is the question they have asked us? Tan theta is equal to minus 4 by 3. If tan theta is equal to minus 4 by 3, in which quadrant tan is becoming negative? Could you please tell me? In which quadrant tan is becoming negative? Tan is being negative in the second or fourth quadrant, correct? So then theta should belongs to either second quadrant or fourth quadrant. Either second quadrant or fourth quadrant. But the question, in the question, he's clearly mentioned you, theta is not in the fourth quadrant. In the question, as per the knowledge we have, either tan, if theta is equal to negative sign, that means theta should lie in either second or in fourth quadrant. But in the question what they have given, theta is not in the fourth quadrant. Theta is not in the fourth quadrant. So can I cancel? Theta does not belongs to my fourth quadrant. So if theta does not belongs to fourth quadrant, so that means theta should lie in the second quadrant. Theta should lie in my second quadrant, correct? So can I take here? Theta should lie in the second quadrant. Up to here everything is clear? Very good. Chalo. Next one. If theta is belong to second quadrant, what trigonometric ratios will take positive values in the second quadrant? Tell me. Yes, sine and cosec. You are absolutely correct. Yes, you are absolutely correct. In the second quadrant, sine and cosec will take the positive values. So right, chalo. If sine and cosec will take positive values, let me find. So sine theta is equals to, what is the value of sine theta? So let me draw a right angle triangle here. Tan theta is defined as opposite upon adjacent. So that means this value should be equal to 4 and this is equal to 3. 4 and 3. So as per that, what is the value of this? Opposite side by adjacent side. What is the value of this? Root over 4 square is 16 and 3 square is 9 by the Pythagoras theorem. So root 25 will become value is equal to 5. Root 25 is becoming value is equal to 5. So that means my hypotenuse side should become 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters, right? Chalo. So if this is 4, this is 3 and this is 5. How do you define sine theta? What is the definition of sine theta? Tell me please. Yes, the definition of sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. The definition of sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. So what is the opposite side here? If this is my 90 degree, what is the opposite side? Tell me. What is the opposite side? It's 4. What is the opposite side? It's 4. What is the hypotenuse side? It's 5. As theta belongs to second quadrant, sine takes positive value. Sine takes positive value. Next, what we need to find? I need to find the value of cos theta. How cos theta is defined? Do anybody remember? How cos theta is defined? Excellent. Cos theta is defined as adjacent upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is defined as adjacent upon hypotenuse. So can I write here? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Correct. Right. So what should I do now here? Adjacent is 3 and hypotenuse is 5 as usual. 3 divided by 5. But in the second quadrant Q2, in the second quadrant, cos takes a negative sign. Cos takes a negative sign. So I need to keep minus here. Correct. And the next one. So what is the next one? Tan is already given. So you need to find the secant theta and cosecant theta. Right. Cosecant theta is a reciprocal of what function? Can anybody tell me? How do you define cosecant theta? It is a reciprocal function of sine theta. It is a reciprocal function of sine theta. Cosecant theta is always reciprocal function of sine theta. So if this is plus 4 by 5, that means it should become 5 by 4. Correct? It should become 5 by 4. Right. Similarly, if you are taking this value cos theta, if it is defined as minus 3 by 5, right, secant theta is a reciprocal function of cosine theta. Correct. Secant theta is a reciprocal function of cosine theta. Right. So if it is minus 3 by 5, then it will become, what is the reciprocal function? Minus 5 by 3. Correct. Minus 5 by 3. Yes. So now I have all my values. So how I have started my problem? Once again I will repeat. First I have given with tan theta is equal to minus 4 by 3. Tan theta is equal to minus 4 by 3. How do you define tan theta? Which is defined as opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. And I told you children, in order to know how tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, you must watch my previous videos and then only you should come back. Okay? Right. All my videos are created in the playlist. You just go through with all my videos, right, and go through with the concept and then only you should watch this video. Right. Okay. So tan theta is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Which is opposite upon adjacent. Correct. Good. Chalo. Next one. So if tan is becoming negative, tan should become negative in 2 quadrants. What are the 4 quadrants? 1, 2, 3, 4. And among the 4 quadrants, tan becomes negative in either second or fourth quadrant. Right. Either second or fourth quadrant. And in the question it is clearly mentioned you that theta does not belonging to fourth quadrant. Then theta in which quadrant it should lie? Obviously it must be lie in the second quadrant. Correct. It must lie in the second quadrant. So what it will become then? Tan is defined as opposite upon adjacent, and from this I am just deriving the sine value. Before finding the sine value, I need the hypotenuse side. How I can find out the hypotenuse side? Could you please tell me? Hypotenuse side is nothing but square of opposite and square of adjacent sides. So 16 plus 9 is 25, root over 25 is 5. So my hypotenuse side is 5 now. Right? My hypotenuse side is 5 now. Yes. So next, what I need to find? Sin theta is defined as opposite upon hypotenuse, which is 4 by 5. Why I am taking plus 4 by 5 here? In the second quadrant, sin is become positive. Similarly, what is other trigonometric ratio which is becoming positive along with sine? Reciprocal function of sine is cosec. So cosec is also becoming positive. Clear? Cosec is also becoming positive. So which is 5 by 4. Similarly, cos is defined as minus 3 by 5 and it is minus 5 upon 3. Right? I explained all these things in my previous classes. Kindly go through, visit all my classes and then only I request you to come here. Right? Okay. Chalo. So next one. So I got all my trigonometric ratios values now. Correct? I got all the trigonometric ratios values now. So I need to find out the value of this particular question. Right? So what is the value? I need to find it out. Just listen. 5 sin theta plus 10 cos theta and next 9 secant theta, 16 cosecant theta plus 4 cot theta plus 4 cot theta. Right? So plus 4 cot theta. Let's find it out. 5 into, what is sin theta value? 4 by 5. 5 into 4 by 5. Clear? Plus 10 into, what is cos theta? Where is cos theta is given? This is cos theta, which is minus 3 by 5, which is, just a minute, 10 into minus 3 by 5. This is cos theta, right? Plus 9 into, what is secant theta? Reciprocal of cos theta, which is given as, secant theta is, if it is minus 5 by 3. And what is 16 into, cosecant theta is reciprocal function of sine. So that means it becomes 5 by 4. 5 by 4. Plus 4 into, what is cot theta? Cot theta is a reciprocal function of tan. What is tan here? It is given minus 4 by 3. That means it becomes minus 3 divided by 4. Clear? So I prepared all my requirements. Now there is only one thing left over, which is I need to prepare my full dish. Ante kada, ఏమైనా ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలనుకుంటే you will be getting all your requirements together and you will add. Similarly, నా దగ్గర అన్ని requirements ఉన్నాయి. Now I need to solve my problem. ఏమేమి కావాలో అన్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాను కదా. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం? a simple calculations. 5 will get cancel over. 5 ones are 5 twos are. Right? 5 ones are 5 twos are. 3 ones are 3 threes are. Right? Next 4 ones are 4 fours are. 4 will get cancelled. Let's check out. 4 plus into minus is minus. 2 threes are 6. Plus into minus is again minus. 3 fives are 15. 4 fives are 20. This is minus. Correct? Minus 6 minus 15 is minus 21. Minus 21 minus 3 is minus 24. 4 plus 20 is plus 24. Cancel these both. Plus 24 minus 24 is 0. Plus 24 minus 24, the answer gives 0. So I find out all my trigonometric ratios. After finding it out, I just added together. I substituted, I added, and plus 24 minus 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. So what will be the answer among this question? It is option 4. It is option 4. Understood? Am I clear with this, guys? Marvelous job, marvelous job. You guys are really fantastic. Yes. Thank you for your all love and support. Yes, dear.